Whatever floats your boat, whatever cranks your tractor, somewhere on the coast or out there in the pasture. Some people take it slow, some people take it faster. Hey, whatever makes that thing float. Might be a little country, might be a little hippie, might be a little Leonard Skinner, might be a little Willie, might be a little Jack in that Dixie, might be a little sweet in your tea, a little muddy Mississippi, a little salt in your sea. Whatever floats your boat, whatever cranks your tractor, somewhere on the coast or out there in the pasture. Some people take it slow, some people take it faster. Long as you ain't sinking, y'all, it really don't matter. Whatever floats your boat, whatever floats your boat. Some people sail solo, cause they like it that way. Some people got a pretty little co-captain, helping them ride them waves. Start taking on water, you gotta lighten that load. Anchor caught at the bottom, no problem, gotta cut that rope. Whatever floats your boat, whatever cranks your tractor, somewhere on the coast, or out there in the pasture. Some people take it slow, some people take it faster. Long as you ain't sinking, y'all, it really don't matter. Whatever floats your boat, whatever floats your boat. Sip, little smoke, whatever wets your whistle. Little left, a little right down that middle. Whatever floats your boat, whatever cranks your tractor, somewhere on the coast or out there in the pasture. Some people take it slow, some people take it faster. Long as you ain't sinking, y'all, it really don't matter.